YouTube, this is your boy Shape is back with another video of most beautiful transformation for beard. In this video, you will find some greatest haircut transformation with your beard. If you are looking for some latest beard trimming ideas, I think you are in the right place because we have compiled lots of beard transformation right here. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and enjoy. It's not all about the beard because it's a complete package for you. In this transformation compilation, we have also a haircut with beard, and this is gonna be a best combination for you if you are looking for some right haircut with your beard shape idea. I think this compilation will work for you. If you have a messy beard and you are looking for some best and trendiest beard shaped idea, I think this video is exactly uploaded for you because in this video we have gathered stubble to short, short to medium, and medium to long beard idea. If you have overgrowth beard and you have messy beard and you are looking for some new beard idea, I think this video gonna help you to get some new. And if you are afraid to grow your beard longer, I think this video also work for you because in this video we have also some short beard idea. Basically, we have tried to cover all a type of and all a range of beard style in just one video. Like if you are looking for some short beard, if you are looking for some faded beard, medium beard, long beard, what type of beard you are searching, we have tried to cover in this whole compilation. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and I hope you will get the right beard idea for you. The way these barber are trimming beard are really majestic. These barber caught magic in their hands. It's not easy to trim beard like this, and the way these barber are trimming these customer, these clients beard. You know what, the facial hair is always very sensitive and your client is also very sensitive. This is gonna be a most beautiful beards transformation video ever on internet, and I can guarantee you will never ever find some beard transformation like this. The way these barber are trimming their beards are really satisfying, and it's really relaxing to watch that type of transformation. And I love that, to watch that type of transformation, because these barbers are not barber, they are magician, because these barber just can change your life in 30 minutes, and this is impossible, this is not possible in 30 minutes. Yeah, they are the game changer, they are the basically game changer, because these barber just make us to go anywhere. They will give us a confident, they will give us the, the great haircut. And all of these transformation was incredible. Anyways, guys, that was the last beard idea, and I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest beard haircut transformation. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.